Hey guys, Chad Cabalka, Real Estate Real Simple, the video series where I'm answering every question I can to take any fear out of buying a house and make that American dream a little bit more crowded. Today's question is a really popular one, especially for today as we're heading into the fourth quarter of 2022, and that is, what is an adjustable rate mortgage, or an ARM, and is it right for me? Well, what it is, as the name says, is a loan type that the rate can adjust on you. That differs from the 30-year fixed mortgage, where your payment and your interest will never change over the life of the loan. Well, why would we want that? Well, today the interest rates are creeping into 7% for a fixed rate mortgage. That's getting up there. So instead of going with that, people are opting to go with an adjustable rate mortgage. The most popular of those is actually called a hybrid adjustable rate, where the first 5, 10, or 15 years of that mortgage has a fixed rate. You know exactly what your payment's going to be, no matter what happens to mortgage interest rates. Whether they go up or down, your rate stays the same for that first period of time. And then after that, if the rate does not come down to where you currently have your loan, your interest rate will begin to adjust. Those adjustments are typically preset. There's caps on how much it can go up each year and for the lifetime of the loan. So what you really need to do before you decide, hey, is an adjustable rate right for me, is look at what the worst case scenario for you could be. Say 10 years down the road, rates start to adjust. You need to look at that number and say, can I make this work? Another reason why people would opt for this loan is they don't think they're going to have the house by that 10 or 15 year point anymore. They think, this is a 5 or 6 year home and I am betting that I'm not going to own it 10, 15 years down the line. Now, is an adjustable rate right for you? Well, that's a very personal question. The best piece of advice I can give you for that is you need to find a lender who cares deeply about creating a long-term relationship with you. Don't do a fly-by-night lender like, all due respect, a Quicken Loans or something like that, that just is all about churning out loans. Find somebody who cares deeply about creating a long-term relationship with you, who has your best interest in heart and can have an honest conversation with you about whether it's right for you or not. A lot of lenders will just push these mortgages to the top because they can get you more buying power today. They make a little bit more money, but it might not be the best option for you. And a fixed rate mortgage that you can refinance out of later might be the best thing for you. So my biggest piece of advice, understand the worst case scenario and make sure you find a lender who cares about you and not just your loan. Chad Cabalka, Real Estate, Real Simple. Stay blessed, guys.